Hey, this is Al Palmer, NASDOG, where you get the best dope on the markets. Dope is information. I am your host, Alan Palmer, and we are going to talk about copper. Okay, this is copper. Today is Wednesday, hump day. As a matter of fact, last week I think we hit 90 in silver. Yes, tonight's low was 73. But anyway, we're looking at copper right here. This is just a basic head and shoulders here. Bottom. Okay, here's the left. Okay, this blue line right here is the neckline here. It held this day. Okay, we're hanging around this level. All right. And this is a daily chart. This is July copper. So these are your numbers right here, right now. Down below, we could do something like this. See how that grabs it? A magnet. It's a magnet because say you grab it and it grabs the other one, when you're using your free charts. Just something to consider, okay? That's why the lines have to be, that's why the levels are exact, okay? Because think of this here. Here's my point. You have to hit the trend line to hit the trigger, okay? And the trigger could be a couple different things. I'm just making this up. Maybe all of a sudden it starts buying it. Buy 24 contracts, buy 24, whatever the time frame is, every 17 seconds. Every 17 minutes, whatever it is, okay? Or it's a sell. You get underneath there, and then it just starts selling. So here we got the dollar here. We're just going to go, you know what? We're just going to go here with the softs page. This is the dollar here. You can see this diamond is live here, okay? We just started this pattern here. Let's go look at this a little bit bigger here. Okay, so you got this downward sloping trend line right here, this blue one here, okay? Coming down. It's coming from something. You come down here, it hits here, okay? You're really searching here because you're in an area where we just took off from, okay? And look at this, how we held it, okay? Like on a closed basis, okay? Just on a closed, oh, those are powder blues, aren't they? Wow, those are the powder blues, 98.78. There's two numbers exactly right there, this blue trend line and those powder blues, okay? So if you don't see something, but in any event here, we got a diamond here. We just went up to 99.41. What is this? 1, 2. Okay, that's different. I don't know what this is. This is long term. These might be two greens here in the. Well, they're two greens. All you need to know is it's a pivot. And here, 99.41 and a half. It's the exact high of the day. Okay, that's round up, round down on the machines. This is rice over here. We're just going to look at here. This is rice, and we are over this, okay? This is same pattern here. Diamonds are key punched in here. Programmed, I'm sorry. This is CQG charts, the finest, okay? Here's silver here. What did we get down to here? 3% on the year, plus 3% on the year. See this one right there? Look at that. Okay, this is where we are. We're at 76. We're 250 off this morning's low or last night's low in silver here. Here's cotton. Here's a diamond in cotton on a daily here. Let's just go to, let's just look at this. Let's put up a weekly, okay? Same kind of pattern. You can see 7, 7, 7, and then you got an outside down week in OC cotton. Up here, another one of these greens here. Oh, hang on a second. No, that's a trend line. This is a trend line. Let's go see what this is from. Okay, something there in 2023. Hang on. All right, let's go to the bottom left hand corner here. This is sugar. Okay, I'll blow it up here. You can see we got a little trend line here we're playing. Okay, look, these are, I haven't touched these charts here in weeks, maybe longer actually. And wow, just a trend line here. So sometimes when people clean up their trend lines, I don't. And this is why here, 59, what was 57 was the low. You got 1492 was today. Okay. Oh, this is a weekly chart. This is a weekly chart. So we hit this week. Watch out over here, boy. Over 1547 here. That's in sugar. Okay. I don't have any sugar clients, okay? These charts are just, it's just my artwork. Here's coffee here. This is a monthly here. You can see monthly here. Coming down to a trend line here. And what else we got here? That's that July D cotton spread here. That was back, what was that? There's the olive line right there, 277, okay? In this contract, it hit. In another one, we missed another one that was right under there by 20 ticks. This is the aftermath. This is what a long-term olive line buy can possibly look like. As a matter of fact, look at this, man. You tested it 2 months, and then you just sit in the ball. Look at this, actually, here's one for you, right? Where was that upside down? Right here. Okay, you take out the previous 2 bars. Oh, you didn't close underneath there, if you're going to try to say. But they couldn't close it upside down. In any event, buy stops over this. That was a little tricky. What is this? Is this this is a daily. Yeah, this was hard down here. But that's the aftermath. Okay, if you need anything, I think we're going to go to, I'm going to do a stock. What do I title it? 50 stocks in 12 minutes or something like that. If you need anything, email me, ARP@NASDOG.com. Always use a risk stop to stop the risk. You can't be their biatch, okay? You sell when you can, not when you have to. All right, thanks for watching.